Welcome back, dear gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an important topic that not only helps your garden flourish, but also saves you money. It's time to say goodbye to expensive chemicals and embrace the wonders of natural pest control. In this video, we'll explore 6 fantastic solutions to keep your garden healthy and thriving without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Neem Oil, the guardian of gardens. Our first natural pest control wonder is neem oil. Extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, this magical elixir acts as a powerful insect repellent. It disrupts the life cycle of pests, preventing them from damaging your plants. Neem oil is not only effective but also safe for beneficial insects, making it a sustainable choice for your garden. Number 2. Diatomaceous earth, nature's tiny warriors. Next up, we have diatomaceous earth, a fine powder made from fossilized diatoms. It might sound complex, but its application is straightforward. Sprinkle this powder around your plants and watch as it acts like microscopic glass shards, deterring and dehydrating pests. Diatomaceous earth is a non-toxic solution that won't harm your plants, pets, or friendly garden bugs. Number 3. Companion planting, nature's harmony. Companion planting is a time-tested technique that involves strategically placing plants to enhance each other's growth and repel pests. For example, planting marigolds alongside vegetables can help deter nematodes, while basil can protect tomatoes from certain insects. By fostering a harmonious environment, you not only promote biodiversity, but also create a natural defense against unwanted guests. Number 4. Garlic spray, aromatic pest repellent. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your kitchen, it's also a potent pest repellent. Creating a simple garlic spray by blending garlic cloves with water and spraying it on your plants can help ward off pests. The strong odor acts as a natural deterrent, keeping insects at bay. It's an easy and cost-effective way to protect your garden without resorting to harmful chemicals. Number 5. Beneficial insects, nature's pest control squad. Introducing the ultimate garden allies, beneficial insects. Ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory beetles are nature's pest control squad. They feed on harmful insects, keeping their populations in check. To attract these helpful allies, incorporate diverse plant species in your garden and avoid using broad-spectrum insecticides that harm both good and bad bugs. It's a win-win for a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Meet your garden's superhero squad, ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory beetles. Nature's pest control team keeps harmful insects in check. Attract them by diversifying plants and avoiding broad-spectrum insecticides for a balanced, thriving ecosystem. Number 6. Homemade chili pepper spray, spicy defense. Last but not least, we have a homemade chili pepper spray that adds a spicy kick to your pest control arsenal. Mixing chopped chili peppers with water and a bit of soap creates a potent spray that repels insects. The capsaicin in chili peppers acts as a natural deterrent, discouraging pests from feasting on your plants. It's a simple yet effective solution straight for your kitchen. Spice up your pest control with homemade chili pepper spray. Blend chopped chili peppers with water and soap for a potent, natural deterrent containing capsaicin, a simple and effective kitchen solution. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these natural pest control wonders helpful. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and eco-friendly solutions. And of course, share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried any of these natural remedies, or do you have other tricks up your gardening sleeves? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a greener, healthier garden. Until next time, happy gardening!